5 ways to handle stress. With busy schedules, many lead an increasingly stressful life. Experts state that a little stress can be good. It keeps you sharp and ready to move forward, and is sometimes vital for achieving optimum performance. However, medical research has determined that prolonged stress is very bad for the body. It can block the body's natural ability to repair, regenerate, and to protect itself. Over 90% of disease is caused by stress. It is both a physical and a psychological response. It can lead to chronic disease, obesity, insomnia, depression, and more. We will always come across situations that cause pressure and anxiety. How we deal with our problems, and our attitude towards our stress, can be managed. Here are 5 effective ways to manage stress. 1. Identify what triggers it. Write a list of situations and things that cause it. Immediately deal with the issues that you can change. For example, wake up earlier for work in the morning, so you are not rushing out the door. Don't wait till the last minute. Delegate responsibilities to allow you to achieve more, in less time. Create a routine, and plan your day. It will make your day run efficiently. 2. Learn to calm down. Take a break, and allow time for yourself. Meditate and feel the tension in your body, and release it. Listen to relaxing music and enjoy the moment. Release your inner feelings and concerns to a friend. Accept the things you cannot control. Remind yourself that the stressful event will end soon. It can make you see the positive sides of things. Calm your emotions, rather than taking your energy away from what needs to be done. 3. Exercise daily. Regular exercise has a positive impact on our moods and emotions. It relieves stress, improves memory, helps you relax, and sleep better. It increases your energy level and creates weight loss. 4. Eat healthy and well-balanced meals. Poor nutrition can impair our daily health and well-being. It reduces our ability to lead an enjoyable and active life. It can contribute to stress, tiredness, and our capacity to work. Poor nutrition creates risk factors such as developing illnesses and other health problems. 5. Don't rely on alcohol, prescription drugs, or compulsive behaviors to reduce stress. Herbal remedies have been used for relaxation. Talk to your physician, as some can interfere with other medications. Click the link below to find out a natural way to deal with stress.